Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi S7 V8 models. We'll start by looking at the powerful performance these vehicles offer. The V8 engine provides substantial horsepower and torque, ensuring a thrilling drive. You can expect rapid acceleration, often achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. This performance is complemented by Audi's renowned all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent grip and stability in various conditions. Next, let's explore the design and interior of the Audi S7 V8. Its exterior showcases a striking, coupe-like profile that truly stands out. Inside, you'll find a cabin crafted with high-quality materials and equipped with cutting-edge technology. The S7 V8 provides comfortable seating for 4 adults, making it suitable for both daily commutes and extended trips. Moving on to driving dynamics and technology, the S7 V8 offers a refined experience. Its adaptive air suspension system ensures a smooth ride while maintaining agile handling characteristics. You'll also benefit from a suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to boost both safety and convenience. The intuitive infotainment system, with its large display, keeps you connected and entertained on the road. Finally, let's consider the value and ownership experience of the Audi S7 V8. These vehicles generally hold a strong resale value, reflecting their desirable blend of performance and luxury. While routine maintenance costs are consistent with a high-performance luxury car, the overall ownership experience is rewarding. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.